Hello world, welcome to Cybercrete, and from today we are starting our interview preparation course. This course will be free of cost and it will be available on YouTube playlist on our channel Cybercrete. And in this playlist we are going to have a look about the data structures and algorithm using our favorite programming language as Python. If you are someone who don't have any programming background, or if you don't have the knowledge of Python and data structure and algorithm, just don't worry. This course is going to get you covered in every way. We are going to start with the very basics of the data structures and algorithm, and we are going to just go till the advanced level, because some of you might get comfortable solving the problems like array and strings, but you can't solve the dynamic programming or greedy algorithm or backtracking problems, because some of the videos on the YouTube, they are just either too theoretical or either too practical. But the goal of our course is to just connect the theoretical part and the practical part of our programming and our theoretical knowledge together, and that is the best way that you can understand the programming. So we are going to use that approach. We are going to understand every line of the code using some of this drawing method that can make you understand things very easily. And we will also learn SQL, because SQL is also one of the most commonly asked questions in our interview. In respective of the role that you are applying for, this SQL is going to be there. Either you are applying for the data scientist, data analyst, programmer, web developer, or Android app developer, the SQL is always going to be there. So we are going to cover SQL too, and we are not just going to cover the data structures, like we are going to just see the theory part of the array. No, we are going to understand its space complexity, its time complexity, and we are going to then solve bunch of problems using this array, so that you can have the better understanding of what it is going to be like. Because just reading the theory and doing some easy questions is not going to get you the job. So for that we have to do some problem solving, and we are going to see some of the practice problems in our course. So there is bunch of problems in every section for every data structure and for every algorithm. We are going to see tons of questions, so it is going to be very much interesting there too. One more benefit of taking this course is that we are not going to solve this question in a single approach. We are going to start from the very basic approach, from the brute force approach, and we are going to just arrive to our solution. And in this process of arriving the solution, we are going to compare how one program is differ from another and how we can choose the most optimal approach in solving the problem. Because when you are in an interview, you can't get the most optimal approach in a simple way. So we have designed this course in a way similar to that of interview. First we are going to see the worst or the most easiest solution with very different time complexity, and then we are going to simply decrease our time complexity of this algorithm. And if you have any doubt, you can basically ask this in our comment section below. You can join our Discord server, you can join our Telegram group, or you can message me on my Instagram. So you have the full freedom to ask any question that you don't understand, and we will try to help you. Of course, we are not going to provide the complete solution, because if you are going to do that, you are not going to learn something. And we are also going to provide you some of the practice problems after every exercise or every lesson is just over, so that you can actually see how much did you understand from this course. Because our goal is not just to make you watch this video just like some movie. You have to keep making notes for better understanding, so that whenever you forget, you can just go back to your notes. But if you are someone who don't like writing notes and does not understand with the notes, you can always come back to our videos and you can have the better understanding to it, because some of the topics cannot easily get to your mind in the first flow. But if you watch this video like twice or thrice, that topic will just become crystal clear, and things become more clear by solving those problems, not just by watching the video. So it is highly recommended not just to watch this video, because practice is only going to make you perfect. So with that said, let us move on to our next question, that why Python? So we are going to use Python throughout this course, because Python is one of the widely used programming languages, and many of our subscribers love Python. And one more reason that we are going to use Python is that because it is just like writing pseudocode. The Python codes are very much similar to the pseudocode, and if you have understanding of any different programming languages, you can just simply implement this logic in your programming language too. And we are going to learn some of the very basic syntax of the Python. We are not going to dive deep into the Python, because that will be a separate course in itself. We are going to have a look at the things that is used in the interview and nothing more than that. And if you want to learn Python, you can just comment. We can just create a different playlist understanding the Python in depth. And we will also see SQL, and we are going to use the software known as MySQL in our course, because this is one of the most popular languages in our SQL field. We are also going to see the SQL in theoretical part, and then we are going to solve bunch of problems in SQL too, so that you got the practical understanding of every topic that we are going to study. So if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you are going to get updates of every video that we are going to see. And thanks for watching.